Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a past paper question. I could not find the year of it, but I selected it because I think it is a good question to develop the basic understanding of the momentum and its application. Momentum is a topic of the A-level Mathematics M1, code is 9709. You can find here 3 QR codes of all my videos I have made so far on P3, S2 and M1. So you can scan it to watch more videos. So I have already made the entire lesson of momentum, and you can find the link in the QR code and description. So this is just one particular question, past paper question. So let's solve this question. 3 particle P, Q and R with masses 0.4 kg, 0.3 and m kg are moving along the same straight line on a horizontal surface. P and Q are moving towards each other with the speed u meter per second and 8 meter per second. R has a speed 3 meter per second and is moving in the same direction as Q. Now I would like to say here, in recent papers if you see, mostly diagram is not there. So the way it is drawn here, always draw it. It will always help you to do the question correctly and efficiently. Immediately after the, okay, now what is happening, first part, immediately after the collision between P and Q. So first information is that they are talking about the collision between these two. So we will also consider only this part of the question first. Their directions of motion have been reversed after the collision. So Q will go here and P will go here. But their speeds are unchanged. So speeds will remain same. And we have to find the value of U. And U is what? Speed of P. So we know from the law of conservation of linear momentum, we are talking about with respect to P and Q. Okay, one thing, because I have separated here the diagram for both the situation before and after, exactly what was explained here. It is a good practice. I feel myself comfortable that I do not make mistake. So I have written the masses, the speed, direction is telling everything. Now according to the law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision and after collision is same, right, for the linear momentum. And momentum is what? It's a product of mass time velocity. Mass is in kg, velocity is in meter per second, which is the same situation in this question. So you are writing for both the particle m and v before collision, you can see here, and you will substitute the values. Mass is 0.4, you can see from here, and velocity is u. Again, the right hand side velocity we consider as plus and left side negative, just as it is a convention of number line, right? Similarly for MQ, mass is 0.3 taken and velocity is 8 because it is in the left hand side direction. Same I will do with momentum after collision. What happened to the bodies P and Q? So this will help me to form an equation, and I can solve this equation to get the value of U. So I hope you understood. Draw the diagram roughly. I did it in advance so that I can do it neatly. But when I'm doing in my paper, very neat is not okay. It is just for my understanding, so it's fine. Now what happened? The next collision is between Q and R. Why? Because after the first collision, you can see here, Q is going in this direction. And from the original diagram, R was coming in this direction, right? So now, of course, Q and R will collide if they do not stop before. So this is not the situation because question is saying so. The next collision is between Q and R. After the collision between Q and R, particle Q is at rest and R has a speed this. We have to find the mass M. What was M? M was the mass of R. It was written here, right? So now we will talk about momentum, linear momentum, law with respect to Q and R. So again I will draw both the diagram. This was the initial status after the first collision because Q was going here and R was already coming here from the beginning. And after collision, what happened? Q stopped. It is written here, it came at rest in the question. So now again, by the law of conservation of momentum, linear momentum, I will substitute the values here. right? Mass into velocity. Mass is in kg, velocity is in meter per second. If it is not, you will change the unit, okay? So be careful. And then simply solve the question. Once again, it is taken negative because it was going towards left. So something going left, velocity, we will take it as negative. So I hope you understood this question. Like I said, it was basically to develop the basic understanding of the momentum application. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button. You can mention in the comment if there is any particular question you want me to explain to you. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.